record. Introduction to plant taxonomy. Plant taxonomy or systematics is the study or description on variation among organisms in order to come out with a classification system. Organisms that are arranged into groups enable a large population to be categorized and understood. Taxonomy began about 300 years before Christ by Theophrastus. Carl Linnaeus is regarded as the founder of taxonomy, father of taxonomy till today. Importance of plant taxonomy: to arrange element or taxa of plants into a more systematic manner so that they can be better understood and could be used easily and more effectively. To arrange data or information and knowledge about plants. To indicate the source and genetic relationship, phylogenetics, ancestry and origin of plant. To indicate the distribution and habitat of plants on earth and their benefits. Taxonomic components. First, classification. Plants are arranged into groups of similar characteristics. The groups are considered as a categories or taxa and form the taxonomic study. Second, identification. To identify and derive the name of an organism by referring to an existing classification. Third, nomenclature. To provide a scientific name to an organism. Fourth, description. To describe the characteristics of a taxon, for example, a family. Taxonomic system. Plant kingdom, animal kingdom. Plant kingdom divided into division, animal kingdom divided into phylum. Further, they are treated as a class, order, family, genus, and species. Kingdom, the highest level in classification, for example, animal and plant kingdom. Division, the number of groups in this taxon is not fixed. It depends on the classification system based on similar characteristics observed on a few elements or organs. Example, dominance of a saprophyte to a gametophyte, presence of an ovule, seed formation, and several others, morphological and anatomical characteristics. Those are hereditary characteristics and will continue to exist from generation to generation. Class, the number of groups in this taxon is also not fixed, depending on the classification system. Separation is based on important basic differences that exist between the groups. Order, separation is based on a more convincing genetic relationship which earlier had been detected at the class and division level. Family, based on more characteristics compared to order, class, and division. Example, the morphological characteristics of reproductive organs, inflorescence, ovary position, placentation, number of pistils and carpels, types of ovule and androecium. Genus involves more similar characteristics, including a closer family relationship, but they do not cross. If a hybrid cross does occur, the offspring are normally infertile or will not survive. Phylogenetically, new genus arise and separate from the same parental origin. Kingdom, Butachus, Monera, Protista, fungi, plantae, and Animalia. Monera is bacteria and prokaryotic cells. Protista, algae, protozoa, eukaryotics. Fungi absorb food in liquid forms. Plantae, photosynthesis, and Animalia ingest food. Plant kingdom. Division: Bryophyta, Pteridophyta, Pinophyta, Gingophyta, Cycadophyta, Natophyta, Magnoliophyta. Class: Magnoliopsida, that is dicot. Class: Liliopsida, that is monocot. Division: Plant kingdom: Spermatophyta, Pteridophyta, Bryophyta, Thallophyta. Spermatophyta, seeded plants, angiosperm, and gymnosperm. Angiosperm divided into dicotyledony and monocotyledony. Some families of dicotyledons are Euphorbiaceae, Solanaceae, Leguminosae, Cruciferae, Rutaceae, Malvaceae, and Cucurbitaceae. Some families of monocotyledon are Palmae, Gramineae, Musaceae, Gingiveraceae, Orchidaceae, and Cyperaceae. Classification of banana: kingdom Plantae, division Magnoliophyta, class Liliopsida, that is monocotyledon, order Gingiberales, family Musaceae, genus Musa, species Musa acuminata. Ending of each taxon for the identification of the classification level, excluding kingdom, genus, and species, division by phyta, class Opsida or EAE, order else ALES or AE, family AC, ACEAE or AE, subfamily OID, OIDEAE. Sub and super categories. Besides the 7 main categories, there are infra taxa to describe variation within a taxon. Kingdom, subkingdom, division, subdivision, class, subclass, superorder, order, family, subfamily, tribe, subtribe, genus, subgenus, section, subsection, series, subseries, species, subspecies, variety, subvariety, form, and subform. For example, there are intraspecific categories, subspecies, variety, subvariety, form, and subform to describe variation within species. Subspecies and variety. Based on morphological variation that can be identified within a species as a result of adaptation to different ecology. Form is the category used for only slight variation. Cultivar, the result of crossing over several generations and does not occur naturally. Clone refer to uniform population of plant identical to the mother plant produced either asexually or naturally. The concept of species. Morphological species concept. Species is the smallest group of organisms which can be constantly differentiated using morphological characteristics. The concept is widely used among taxonomists as it is the most practical. Biological species concept. Using reproductive biology to define species, population group which is able to breed but prevent from gene exchange with population of other species, cannot be used for self-pollinated species or asexually produced species which do not undergo crossing. Classification system. Artificial system based on growth, habitat, and uses. A primitive system 300 BC, Theophrastus and Dioscoride, Greece. Mechanical system based on one or few chosen characteristics. In 1580 to 1760, Cisalpino, Italy, Bahun, Swiss, and Linnaeus, Sweden. Natural system based on many characteristics. Adanson, France, De Candolle, Swiss, Bentham and Hooker, Britain. Phylogenetic system based on many characteristics with evolutionary interpretations. Engler, Germany, Bessie, America, Hutchinson's, Britain, and Thorney, America. Nomenclature is important in order to provide the correct name for a plant. The naming activity is under the control of the International Code of Botanical Nomenclature, ICBN, published by the International Association of Plant Taxonomy, IAPT. The codes are revised at every International Botanical Congress. Scientific name is based on the binomial system popularized by Carl Linnaeus, consists of genus and species name. The third element is the name of the person who formerly gave the name. Oryza sativa is binomial name and Linnaeus is the authority. Oryza sativa, subspecies indica, Oryza sativa subspecies japonica is trinomial. Buplerium fulcatum species, U. fulcatum variety, and Hop mystery is quadrinomial. Populus alba variety Canescens, Eton, Brassica oleracea variety capitata, Prunus cornuta forma villosa. These are the trinomials. Name of genera and that of higher taxon, that is monomial or uninomial, Rosael, Rosaceae, Jus. Cultivars taxonomic category. Oryza sativa, cultivars Matt Candu, Oryza sativa, cultivar Matt Candu, Oryza cultivar Matt Candu, Paddy KV Matt Candu. For species that have been named earlier, it is adequate to name the species from them on using only the first letter of the genetic name. Solanum melangena, for specific name consisting of two words, a hyphen is needed between the two words, that is hibiscus rosa hyphen sinensis. If the specific name is not known, Lythra species or Lythra species is many species. Singular SP and plural SPP. Scientific name is capital letters and italicized is also accepted. Carica papaya, Hevia brasiliensis. When two or more authors suggest a scientific name, their names are linked by ET. Delphinium viscosum, Hooker, F. E. T. Thompson. The original name for a species is Panicum dactylon Linnaeus. When C. H. Persoon changed the genus name to Cynodon, the original specific name remained while the original author's name is placed in brackets. Cynodon dactylon in bracket Linnaeus, then pause. When the first author suggested a name but was officially published by a second author, both names are linked by EX. Syriacus cornuta, Wall, X. Riley. Hybrid name, interspecific and intergeneric hybrid. Eragrostis into Polypogon, Eragrostis stolonifera into Polypogon monospelensis, Salix aurutia into Salix caprea. Binary names are given to interspecific hybrid. Salix into capriola, Salix areata into Salix caprea, Rosa into odorata, Rosa sinensis into Rosa gigantea. A graph between two species used plus Rosa webiana plus Rosa floribunda. Taxonomic character, morphology, plant growth habit, leaf arrangement and shape, flower and fruit characteristics, anatomy, secondary xylem characteristics, epidermis, including trichomes and stomata, palynology, pollen characteristics, including size, shape, aperture, and exime sculpture. Taxonomic characteristics, cytology, the chromosome number, structure, and habit, chemical and molecular, alkaloid, phenolics, and amino acid content, protein, enzyme, and DNA. Thank you.